God. Oh my God, this how's it going? Right, we're on Jalan Chok Agung Tresna. Now this is the main road from Denpasar that goes through and out through to Sanua. Comes out of the Kentucky Fried. So we're at a place at Waroeng Sambal Bakar. Apparently it's really good. They got these massive dinosaur ribs or something in here, so we're going to check it out. It's right next to Almaz fried chicken. So we just saw this on Instagram, thought we'd come in and check it out. Waroeng Sambal Bakar. So downstairs like the smoking area because it's open. You can also go upstairs. We'll have a quick look upstairs. Alright, so this is probably air-conned upstairs by the look of it. And it's non-smoking. Alright. So you got toilets up here, got a room out the back too. Oh, it's really cool in here. Aircon. We've got a play area for the kids. Yeah. It's very nice, very cold in here. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 aircons going. So anyway, we'll go back downstairs and we'll order. And now I heard there's this thing called the Giant Dinosaur rib, so I'm going to check that out. Maybe we'll have that. So, alright, so this is what it is. It's not one giant one, it's just a giant rack of beef ribs. Looks like you get 5 or 6 big beef ribs, 180,000, but I might eat half of it and take the other half home on it. That's really all I'm interested in. The rest is just all typical Indonesian food, rices, rice bowls, you know, grilled chicken and fish and things like that. So, all right. So what's it come with? Jumbo's up here. Sama nasi itu, it goes in there. Okay, so you can just get a small thing of ribs, just a couple of ribs, and then it's 50,000, like $5. But I might just get the big, massive, giant one, jumbo, the Dinosaurus ribs. That's what it is, and. I'll take half an home and just eat it on bread or sandwiches. So what are you after, darling? Just get me dinosaur ribs and a rice, and that'll do me. I'll go to the packet, see what they're like, and maybe we'll get the ribs takeaway too before we leave, I don't know. And Yuli's going to get the grilled chicken and bakar packet. It's only 38,000. With it too. Okay, so they've also got gelato and stuff like that in here as well. So you can scan the code on the table and pay through that, or you can come here to the counter and pay. So we're just going to pay here. So it gets pretty busy. It's only like 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning. It's sort of the first ones here. You can see it's just starting to get busy already. There's people coming in, there's people going upstairs. So yeah, I'd say this place is pretty popular, I suppose. Heap of fans on the walls, makes it nice and cool. Upstairs is fully aircon. It's really, really cold up there. But yeah, so they had to check and see if they've got the Dinosaurus ribs now. I'm going to get that as well as my packet ribs, and just to show you what it's like, and I'll take it home. I'll just eat it for the next couple of days. They reckon it's their best seller, and it's absolutely massive. So we'll check that out when they get here, the dinosaur ribs. Alright, so this is the kitchen, got a big kitchen. Wow, check out the staff, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah. There's about 12 of them working in the kitchen, so it must get really busy in here. Alright. So it looks really busy in here, like it's starting to get busier all the time. And you can see in the kitchen, there's about 12 or 14 of them just working the kitchen, so yeah. Anyway. So now she's changed the order. I'm just going to get the giant dinosaur ribs and buy a separate rice and is there sambal mata? Ada?
Sambal mata tidak ada. Yang mentah nggak ada.
Yuli says the big ribs will be bigger and better for the video. So anyway, my fat little belly will eat it all for sure. And you're paying, darling. You're paying.
No, it's Bailey.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So good when your wife pays for dinner. You've got the little scan code on the table. If you scan that. All right, so, and it's just basically got all the whole menu on this, and you can actually order through the app here as well after you scan the code on the table, which is a good idea. Dinosaur ribs, I got a drink, I got some rice. Yuli got the packet that includes the rice and all that sort of stuff, and it was 265,000, about $25, you know. So check out them, they're jumbo teas, look at the size of it. It's about a full pint glass. That's massive. So right here they got
Nasi serunding.
what is it?
Nasi serunding. They mix the coconut drink, fried coconut.
Alright, so this is mine, just nasi putty, white rice. So this is like a grilled sambal. Sambal Bakar. Okay. And then it's steaming hot sambal being grilled with a blowtorch.
I call it Sambal Bakar.
So I'll just try out with a bit of cucumber how hot this sambal is. Right. Oh, it's really hot, really hot. So I'm not sure of the purpose of hitting hers with a blowtorch, but it's just what they do here. So it's a lot good. You get a good chunk of chicken with it, and the coconut rice. Yeah, looks something different. Might just try a bit of rice for some try.
Nasi serunding.
Huh?
Nasi serunding.
You also got sayur asam. It's like a sour vegetables, like a little soupy vegetable dish. It's got chocos, corn, and beans.
Linjo.
The ribs are coming now. Just come and ask us whether we wanted them cut or just left whole, but we may as well get them cut up because it'll be easy to eat. What I can't eat, I'll take home with us. So, and Lucy will love the bones. She loves them rib bones. You know, it's getting really busy here. Like, as you can see behind me and around me, upstairs is full already, and downstairs is nearly full too. So, and it's not even lunchtime yet. It's still only about 11 o'clock. You know. So this is in Renon. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description for where it is. And yeah, it's very close to it's on the road that more or less goes right through Denpasar, Renon and out towards Sanua, where all the garden centres are. Leave a Google Maps link, you can find out where it is. Alright, oh my god, this has a go with it. Alright, so that's them, the dinosaur ribs, and look how big it is. So what I'm going to do, I suppose, is just get one and then get them to take away. Oh my god. So I'll probably just grab one and then get that takeaway and I can use the bones for Lucy and whatever. I suppose the only way to hook into this is with your hands, I suppose. I don't know whether you can actually get it off with your fingers or not. Try it out. Bit of rice, bit of ribs. Really need a knife to get it off. So I don't know. A bit of sambal, try a bit of sambal. So they're not great big long ribs like I thought they'd be. But there is a lot of meat on it. Trying to rip some meat off this great big one here. Oh, this one's got a lot of meat on it, look at that. A lot of it's just bone, yeah. So it's a little bit deceiving what they show you in the picture and what you really get. But there's a good pile of beef there, check that out. So I'm going to hook into this. And like I said, back to you when I'm finished. So I'm on to the last lot. I ended up finishing it. That's just all bones. We're going to take it home for Lucy, but little Piggy was going to take half of it home, but just decided to smash the lot. It's not too bad. So that was pretty good actually. But I ended up, I didn't think I'd eat it all, but yeah, I did. They're sort of, they weren't just actually ribs, they were like on a joint, the ribs on a joint or something. So Yeah, they sort of nearly look like leg joints or something. I don't know what they were, but or like a knuckle or something. But it was good. It's about 5 big pieces, and I ended up eating a lot. But yeah, it's pretty good. So it was about $25 for 2 of us to eat, and yeah, it's well worth it, I suppose. Anyway, check it out. Waroeng Sambal Bakar.